Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce the Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner, the Shark Navigator Liftaway Professional. NV356E is a versatile upright vacuum designed for comprehensive home cleaning. Key features include liftaway technology, allowing the detachable pod to convert into a handheld canister for above-floor cleaning like stairs and furniture. It boasts swivel steering for easy maneuverability, a HEPA filter with Anti-Allergen Complete Seal to trap dust and allergens, and strong suction effective on carpets and hard floors. Ideal for pet owners, it handles pet hair well and comes with a crevice tool, dusting brush, and pet power brush. The bagless design weighs 16 pounds, features suction control, a brush on-off switch, and a 30-foot cord. Pros: excellent value under $200, offering adaptability from upright to handheld for flexible cleaning. It's user-friendly with great handling and convenience, especially for allergies and pet hair removal. Performs well on most surfaces, making it a solid choice for everyday use. Cons: requires regular maintenance due to its design and may not be the most durable long-term, lasting a couple of years with basic service. Some users note it can be subtle in versatility but has liabilities like potential clogging or filter management. Overall, the NV356E balances affordability and functionality, ideal for budget-conscious households needing versatile cleaning, though it may need upkeep to maintain performance. Thanks for watching. To purchase the item, simply click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.